Polygon holder, this is urgent update. Remember to this is not a motivational speech, my brother. A lot of holders tell me to you motivate us, but definitely this is not a financial video. I cannot advise you, my brother. I just advise you, my brother. This is not a motivational video. Let's see, my brother, the Polygon latest update, and absolutely we predicate this coin. So kindly, before I get started this brand video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brothers. Come to the point. This time you can see here the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and minus 4.12% they fell down just and only in the last 24 hours. So you can see here the first 12 hour, is completely fails down. You can see here after that, my friends, you understand to an upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. Definitely after 12-hour fails, you can see, my friends, completely this is, you can see here, this is non-stop fail. You can say, my friend, completely they falls down. So absolutely after this big fails, my friends, they also take a very massive jump occur now. They completely go in the moon. They jump like a Spider-Man. So you can see here a massive jump, and they completely go in the moon, my brother. So everybody understand. Try to understand. If we zoom this, just a minute, my brother. Just a minute. You can see, my brother, this time. Just see this chart, my friends. You can see here, then you understand. You can see after a fails, they take a jump. After a fails, they take a jump. After a short fails, they take a jump. Every currency is moving like that, my friends. Not just unique that. So absolutely, you understand, my brother. If we check out again, if you can see, my brother, this time absolutely after a fails, they take a jump. Exactly, my friend. After a big jump, my friend, they also take a fails. So exactly, they completely moving at this circulation. So it's mean there is no option, my friends, today or fails down again. But I hope, my friends, they will take a very big jump. So let's pray for that, my friends. So they will completely go in the moon. But let's see, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour, and absolutely we understand to really they moving upward. Yes, exactly, my friends. You can see here they continuously moving slowly moving upward. Plus 3.4%, 3.04% they starting moving upward change occur, and just only in the last 1 hour. So it's mean today are going very good speed, my friends. And I hope Polygon will absolutely trend on this time in the Twitter, absolutely in UK. So absolutely this is viral coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. So you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brother, they will make you millionaire, because this is viral coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.